welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see lovely party wear collections, salwar materials. Very elegant, rich, nice, very simple and neat party wear salwars. It will not be very flashy ones. Very subtle, beautiful evening party wear salwars we are going to see. Before seeing the salwars, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And the materials what we are going to see will be very different materials. Going to be cotton, chanderi, raw silk, different materials. And most of the salwars will have some lovely, nice, beautiful dupattas which you will really love. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. This is a pista green chanderi material salwar, a very pretty design. In the front we have a beautiful embroidery in monotone of green and gold color mix. The embroidery has been alternative colors, a very pretty design. Center again we have a beautiful button and it's a collar pattern design. In these type of design you can use the collar, or if you don't want a collar pattern you can remove it and stitch it also. Paired up with a contrast peach color bottom and again a lovely organza dupatta in peach, which is completely embroidered. A very pretty design, a pretty pattern. See, look at the salwar. It's a very lovely design, and the price of the salwar is 1,820. This is again a chanderi material, a lovely light fawn color. It's very light fawn, very pretty one. And in this we have a monotone design, like no embroidery, which has been done in the salwar. In the front side of the salwar completely it's embroidery, and in the center we have beautiful buttons. A very pretty patterns. These salwars are like no, not too very grand, but it's all simple but very elegant, and the party wear salwars paired up with a contrast brown color pant and the lovely dupatta again, a chiffon dupatta which has been completely embroidered. A very pretty embroidery which has been done in the dupatta. I think you can have a beautiful view of the salwar, and the price of the salwar is 1,610. This is a beautiful light peach color or light pinkish and peachish shade of this is the glaze cotton material, very soft cotton. It has a slight shine also. In the front part it's completely beautifully monotone embroidery. These monotones look very simple and elegant and very rich, and in the center we have beautiful buttons, golden buttons in it. A very lovely pattern paired up with the same color bottom. And the beauty of the salwar is the lovely dupatta, and organza dupatta. In that we have beautiful embroidery which has been done in the dupatta with lovely sequence work and embroidery. The dupatta will make the salwar look very rich. A beautiful one, lovely pattern, and the price of the salwar is 1,960. This is a lovely burgundy color, beautiful party wear salwar. It's a very simple and elegant salwar. In the front we have completely an embroidery. It's a monotone design, monotone embroidery which has been done in the front part of the salwar, and in the center we have beautiful buttons running along the salwar, and the back is a plain one. We have it's a semi-stitched one. The top we have the collar pattern neck in this design, but if you want the neck you can use it, or you can use any other style also. And we have some lovely dupatta for this salwar, a beautiful tissue salwar for this a very pretty one, and the price of the salwar is 1,900. It is paired up with a contrast fawn color bottom, and the price of the salwar is 1,900. This is a cotton material, a beautiful pattern. Stripes will always make you look taller. Very pretty design, a beautiful pattern, and in the center we have a nice buttons and gotapatti work which has been done in the neckline. And throughout the salwar we have small mirror work which has been done along. Very pretty design, paired up with a contrast brown color pant, a greyish brown, and a lovely dupatta for this salwar. You should just see the work of this dupatta. It's in kota material with a lovely piping, a border piping which has been done in the dupatta. Very pretty pattern, lovely design, and the price of this salwar is 1,610. This Chanderi material party wear salwar, a very very pretty pattern. We have a beautiful neck pattern design which has been in the salwar, and front part of the salwar is completely embroidered in monotone and contrast color. It's in both the colors which has been done. A very very pretty one, and it has been paired up with a lovely contrast dupatta in pink, and the dupatta is very very rich and nice. It is in, yeah, it's in chiffon. It's in chiffon. It's a chiffon dupatta with lovely embroidery in the dupatta. A very very pretty dupatta. This dupatta by itself will make the salwar look very rich and nice. And the price of the salwar is 1610. This is a semi raw silk material salwar. It's a reddish maroon color. A beautiful embroidery which has been done in the front side of the salwar in contrast beige color. A lovely contrast and a beautiful neat simple clean work, paired up with a contrast beige color bottom, and again beautiful dupatta. The dupatta is completely a Banarasi dupatta, a beautiful Banarasi dupatta, a lovely design, and the price of the salwar is 2060. This is a lovely elaichi green Chanderi material salwar. A very very pretty design and a pretty color combination, very classy rich colors. On the neck we have a beautiful embroidery which has been done in the neckline, and throughout the body we have small embroideries in green and pink combination. Lovely design, a simple and a neat design, paired up with a pink color contrast bottom, and again the dupatta is again a class piece. Yeah, this is the dupatta. A lovely embroidery which has been done in the dupatta, which makes the salwar like classy, rich, whatnot. The dupatta, whenever the dupatta looks rich, the salwar by itself gets very grand, and the price of the salwar is 1610. It's a lovely off-white cotton material, beautiful design. In the center we have a beautiful, in the neck we have a beautiful mirror work which has been done. In the center we have a cute button pattern design also, and throughout the body it's a self weaved embroidered one. A very very pretty design, classy one, classy pieces these are. You look so simple, very grand and rich, paired up with a contrast bottom and a lovely block printed dupatta in off-white and fawn color. A lovely design, a classy pattern. It will look so beautiful. And the price of the salwar is, sorry, I didn't look into the price. Yeah, the price of the salwar is 1180. This is again a Chanderi material, a peach color salwar, a very very pretty and a beautiful design. Throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery which has been done along in monotone, and we have some sequence work also in the top. In the center we have a beautiful buttons, and it's a semi stitched one. You have the neck pattern in it. Very very pretty design, and this is paired up with a contrast beige color bottom and a lovely dupatta, a chiffon dupatta in beige which has been printed, block printed has been done in this. A very pretty block prints, and the price of the salwar is 1890. It's again a light mustard shade Chanderi material party wear salwar, a lovely design. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery and ari work which has been done in the center neck pattern, a lovely pattern. And there is one more beauty to this salwar. It's a back. The back is also completely a backwork design, a beautiful pattern. It will look so classy when you wear this salwar. Very very pretty one, and the bottom is paired up with a contrast green color bottom and a lovely cotton Banarasi dupatta. This is Banarasi weaved, a beautiful design, a lovely pattern, like you can see how it will look. A very very pretty design, and the price of the salwar is 1610. This is a lovely green and blue combination salwar, again a party wear salwar. In the center we have a beautiful ari work which has been done, a bead work and ari work which has been done in the neckline. A pretty design, Chanderi material again, paired up with a silk dupatta, silk bottom. The bottom is in contrast blue color silk, and a lovely dupatta for this also. All the salwars which I'm showing today have beautiful dupattas. This is a chumki work which has been done in the contrast green color dupatta, and the dupatta material is cotton. It has in the corners it has a lovely gotapatti work, a lovely design, and the price of the salwar is 980. Pattern of the green what we showed, we have some other color combinations also in that. This is a beige with a pink combination. The center again a beautiful neckline which has been in the center, and have a contrast pink color bottom, and again the dupatta is in pink and lovely embroidery, same design which we showed in the previous, those kind of a design which has been there in this also. We have some 3-4 combinations in this pattern. I'll show you all the combinations. The next one is a mustard with pink combo, a lovely design, and the bottom of this salwar is pink, and a lovely cotton dupatta in pink, embroidered one. The dupatta is completely embroidery, and we have sequence work and embroidery in the dupatta which makes the dupatta salwar by itself too grand, and the price of the salwar is 980. We have two more color combinations in that. This is again a beautiful peachish pink. It's neither red, it's a peach red and reddish pink. It's neither red nor pink. It's a midway between that. In that a beautiful neck pattern which has been done, and the bottom is a contrast yellow color. This one, and yeah, now you have a full view, and a lovely yellow dupatta with beautiful embroidery and sequence work which has been done. A very pretty one, and the price of the salwar is 980. We have one more color in this. This is a blue with green. The top is blue, a lovely design, and the bottom is in contrast green color, and the dupatta is again in lovely green. This is the dupatta in green embroidery, and the price of the salwar is 980. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the collections. They are all such pretty salwars, so beautiful ones. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.